How's everybody doing today? This is Rich from Rich TV Live, and we are talking stocks. We're talking cryptocurrency, and I am looking at all of the markets right now. So we can get right into it, and we can break it down right here, right now. Let's take a look. So Bitcoin is definitely having a retraction today. Bitcoin is down 10%. Ethereum is down 11%. So Bitcoin is at 11,648, down 10%. Ethereum is down 11%. Ripple back to 42 cents, down 12%. Bitcoin Cash at $423, down 16%. Litecoin at $118, down 12%. EOS at $627, down 14%. Binance Coin at $35, down 4%. Bitcoin Silver at $199, down 18%. Tethers at 98 cents, down slightly. And Cardano at 9 cents, just under 9 cents, down 13%. It is a bloodbath in the crypto space today. Now let's take a look at stocks. How you guys doing? Thank you guys for joining. Hey, how you doing, Drew? Good to have you here, buddy. Dante Bruce says, what up, Rich? Hexo. I love me some Hexo, man. I love me some Hexo. Scott Norris, morning, Rich. Loving Medman now. Yes, Medman. Been telling you guys for months that Medman was undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed. Told you guys they weren't going anywhere. And look at Medman now. iMud says, what's up, Rich? What's your views on the Bitcoin mining stocks like INTV or MGTI? I think Bitcoin stocks will go up or down based on Bitcoin. So on days like today, when you see Bitcoin is down, you will see that those Bitcoin stocks will go down. On days where Bitcoin goes up, you will see that those Bitcoin and cryptocurrency stocks will go up. So it really kind of is actually a really great indicator because cryptocurrency trades 24 hours a day. So before the market opens, if Bitcoin's down, you already know those crypto stocks are going down, almost for the whole sector. If Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are up, you already kind of know that those Bitcoin and cryptocurrency stocks are going to go up. So as an investor in stocks, I think it's a huge advantage to have cryptos trading 24/7 so that you can make a very good decision on cryptocurrency stocks because they're typically going to trade based on how the cryptocurrency stocks are trading. I mean, that's what they've been doing. So I'm not surprised to see them all down today because cryptocurrency's down, Bitcoin's down. So all the cryptocurrency related, Bitcoin related stocks are down. Thank you guys for the likes. I appreciate you guys. Andrew says, Medman, Hexo, love them. Yeah, I think Medman is too big to fail. And I think Medman is going to be a long-term giant in America, positioned well to be a multi-state operator in America and one of the top 5 companies in America. So I see huge potential for Medman. Hexo, they've acquired HIP. I love Hexo. They've got to deal with Molson Breweries, giant. I think the sky's the limit for Hexo, man. If we can get Hexo cheap, why the heck not? Robinhood Warrior says, slap them like buttons if the channel brings value to your trading. Thank you, Robinhood Warrior. I appreciate you, man. Shelby Rudnitsky says, good day, sir. Hope all is well. What are the chances you could do an episode on financials and how to go through the numbers and understand them? Sproutly came out with theirs today, and I'm lost. Yeah, you know, I go through financials all the time. I can definitely do a video on that. Thank you for your feedback. I will be going to my downtown location today, and I will be doing another live stream in a couple hours. So maybe I'll do it then. If you guys have anything you want me to talk about, just let me know. And, you know, I do this for you. So, yeah, I mean, whatever it takes to help you guys learn more and get educated, I'm going to do it. So thank you for your feedback. I would love to do that to help you guys. Nika Domi, Mind Your Wealth says, hey, how's it going? How you doing, Nika? Congratulations on graduating. Nika Domi and myself will be doing a video soon, maybe Friday. We'll probably do a live stream. So, and we're going to try to do it every Friday. So stay tuned to that. The beautiful, intelligent Nika Domi and Rich TV Live will be doing videos again. Nika's been really busy. I've been really busy. So we got away from it for a bit, but we're going to get back to it, and probably as early as tomorrow. David Sharp says, loving the suit, by the way, looking very European. Is this a European looking suit? Or I just look European because I'm European? Shelby says, thanks, boss. No rush. Much appreciated. Hey, whatever I can do to help. I'm doing this for you guys, so, and girls. So, yeah, you know, like whatever you guys want to learn, whatever you want me to talk about, let me know. Hey man, you want to make $1 million bucks, you got to look like $1 million bucks. You want to make $1 billion bucks, you got to look like $1 billion bucks. Not everybody can wear t-shirts and jeans like Mark Zuckerberg and make billions. Andrew says, I miss Nika. Where is she? She's right here, bro. She's been getting her degree. So she just graduated, and now we're going to get started. And she's writing a book. So you guys go out there and get her book. Nika says, thank you. I'm your friendly neighborhood psychologist. Haha. If anyone is depressed from stocks. I like that angle. I like that angle. That's a good angle. David Sharp says, XRP, I've been loading up on today. Yeah, you know, cryptos are down right now. Might be a time to position yourself. When whatever goes up has to have a correction at some point. So you would think that they're going to come down at some point, and they have. The question is, will it go down further? Honestly, I don't know. I don't have that answer. My crystal ball is very foggy right now. Scott Norris says, big changes for Rich. Good on you. Yeah, we're going more professional. We're not playing music. We're not screaming and yelling at the screen. We're definitely going more professional, and we're going in a different direction because we're in the financial sector and they're asking for that, and we're going to give them what they want. David Sharp says, oh, R star 777-555 underscore 555 says, will XRP go to 200 plus if IMF uses it in the ESDR? Well, that would be big. 200 plus seems unlikely at this point, considering they're at 42 cents. But I don't know. We'll see. I think most investors would be happy to see it go to $1 at this point. David Sharp says, I've got Bitcoin to retest 15,000. Yeah, I mean, it's very possible, but at the end of the day, it's the guys that are holding all the Bitcoin that decide. Robin Hood Ward asks, what are your thoughts on CanTrust and the way it keeps on bouncing off $5 USD? I love CanTrust. I think the long term, they are going to be a giant. I see so much potential for them. I think these prices are cheap for CanTrust. I'm not going to lie to you. I don't see any reason why it doesn't double. Aldo Lopez, N-Wave. Love N-Wave. They had a little dip recently. Great buying opportunity. They're working very closely with Aurora Cannabis. I feel like N-Wave has a great future. Working with Aurora Cannabis, one of the largest licensed producers in the world, I think that N-Wave is well positioned to be a very big company. And they've done really well, so I'm not surprised that they retracted, because what goes up has to come down at some point. Mind you, what goes down has to come up, so wouldn't be surprised to see N-Wave make another move here. Nika Domi saying, I never thought I'd say this, but CXXI is making a move today. Are they? Let's take a look. They've been getting destroyed. Just beaten down. Like brutally. From like 240 under $1. Like, Talk about killing shareholders. I'm not really too impressed with that. I don't like it when I see stocks go from $2.40 to like 89 cents or whatever the hell it was. Yeah, it's up 4% today. It's at 99 cents. They don't want to go under a dollar and stay under a dollar. So this is, I've told you guys, a dollar is no man's land. You see stocks go under a dollar, it's scary, man. So yeah, that's, these companies know this. They don't want to get buried under a dollar. It's suicide. Strawless Capital is currently under a dollar. Might be a time to buy. Strawless Capital is at 95 cents. So we've been talking about this. Justin, you're a mad scientist, keeps talking about it. And it's true. Every time Strawless Capital goes under a dollar, it seems to bounce. So if you're looking to get into Strawless, it's at 95 cents right now. I wouldn't be surprised to see this go back over a dollar by next week, because that's just what it does. David Sharp says, I have XRP to top out at 60 cents at present. Yeah, that seems about right. David Sharp says, long term, who knows? R star 77755 says, it's done 35% before XRP. Yeah, but that was before, Now cryptos are more mainstream. I don't see it doing another 35,000%. David Gusha says, you don't ever talk about how good weed, and Bean talked about how good Weed MD is. Actually, I have done videos on Weed MD. I like them. I think they have a lot of potential. They recently got their license. I think it's a good company. I think they have a great future. Scott Norris says, I put a small investment into Dash yesterday. It's down. Haha. Nervous with crypto. I feel more comfortable with cannabis. Want to put bigger in CanTrust. Yeah, with crypto, you got to be careful to buy green, right? Guys got to use the same theory. Buy red, sell green, whether it's crypto or cannabis stocks. So a day like today, that's the day to buy crypto if you want to buy crypto because it's red. Chasing green is dangerous, whether it's cryptocurrency, stocks, real estate. It doesn't really matter. And any investment, buying green is dangerous. Buying red is the way to go. Mad respect, Demir. Demir's letting everybody know to go to richtvlive.com. We got all the news there. You want to learn about stocks. You want to learn about cryptocurrency, mining, tech. We got it all there. All of our social media is there, and there's more coming, guys. We got so much more. Like the website has been less than a week, so there's a lot more that will be added to the site, and it's going to continue to develop, and it's going to continue to get bigger. So thank you guys for your respect and your support in the last 2.5 years in growing this platform for us to get to the point where we're on the map when it comes to financial education. And the reality is we're only going to get bigger and we're only going to get better. I don't do this for views, guys. I put all kinds of content. I put out sports content. I put out news. I put out travel. I put out trending topics. This isn't about views. This isn't about subscribers. This is about putting out content. I've learned from Gary Vee, and Gary Vee says, if you don't know what to make a video about, just turn on the camera. So that's been kind of my mentality since day one, and it's got us to this point, and I'm not going to stop now. Andrew Ellington says, me too. I've been waiting for CTST. Yeah, I think CTST is near a bottom. So if you guys have been waiting, now might be the time. I mean, it's cheap. It's really cheap. Here on the street, it is considered one of the best stocks in Canada when it comes to cannabis stocks. And now that they're going to be moving into the United States, I think the sky's the limit for CanTrust. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, CanTrust at $6.62 in Canada is stupid cheap. Let me remind you guys, CanTrust was at $15. It's now at $6.62. I mean, I can't tell you guys what to do, but bye. Can't tell you guys what to do, but bye. I can't tell you what to do, but bye. It's so cheap. It's such a good company. It's almost funny. It almost makes me laugh. How you doing, Demir? Thanks for being here, brother. You know, Andrew, I'm going to make you a moderator. And Nika, I'm going to make you a moderator. So you guys have been added as moderators. And Scott, I'm going to make you a moderator. You guys have been all added as moderators. Andrew Ellington says, I want 10K shares to hold of CanTrust. Buddy, smart thinking. Smart thinking. Scott Norris says, people are definitely accepting crypto more and more. Yeah, and they will continue to. But remember, the last time crypto exploded, the government stepped in and killed it. So at any point in time, if it gets too big and too much excitement, or if it goes too high, and the government or the big players out there want to short it down, they will. So you can't fall in love with any investment because they're highly manipulated, and and the people that determine the price of Bitcoin are the people that are holding millions of Bitcoin. The ones that got it at the pennies, they're the ones that determine the price. Nikadomi says, I love the energy of Weed MD, and I recently blazed some of their stuff. It was good. Okay, it's nice to have that feedback. Thank you. Nudica says, Xena finally getting some analyst coverage. Yeah, Xena's still a baby. Nobody really knows about Xena other than the people that are watching. I mean, I've been the first one to talk about Xena, and I'm going to continue to talk about Xena. I own 10,000 shares, and I'm going to continue to position myself in the company. Nika is asking, does anybody like Harbor? Yeah, I think Harbor is going to be a giant, well-positioned in California. I see Harbor having a great future. Scott Norris says, do you get paid as a moderator? No, not yet. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. Let's just get bigger. And then who knows at that point? Scott Norris says, just so you know, Rich, I have put lots of people in and tuning in on you. I appreciate it, Scott. Thank you very much. I appreciate all of you guys. The Rich TV Live community is what makes us so unique. It's what makes us so special. And the community is a very powerful community. And there's a lot of people watching. There's shorters watching. There's day traders watching. There's long traders watching. There's cryptocurrency enthusiasts watching. There's cannabis stock enthusiasts watching. There's a lot of people watching. So I really appreciate it. And yeah, we are here to help each other. You guys give me picks. I look at them. I analyze them. If I like them, I bring them to the community. I give you guys picks. If I like them and I analyze them, I bring them to the community. And, you know, I'm in the trenches like you guys. I buy stocks just like you guys do. So, you know, I'm just an average guy who used to watch YouTube that now is on YouTube. That's it. Demir says, if you win and I win, we all win. It's true. It's true. You know, it's true. So I don't really know what else to say about that. Let's take a look at Xena today. Xena. Xena's up 3% at $1.69. So volume is low though. 81,000 shares. Pretty weak. Demir says, we'll never get it out from my mind, bro. Well, hey, you know what? I've said it enough that I think you guys have learned a lot of my slogans. If you're not winning, you're not watching. I created that first. And if I win and you win, we all win. I created that first. Rich TV Live is strictly for education, entertainment purposes. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything. Remember, invest in the best because the best is blessed. I created that first. You want to hear my intro? Visit Rich TV Live. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the like down below and comment on the show because all we do is bring you winners. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. It's true. So yeah, I mean, we've been doing this for a while and we've had a lot of fun with it. We've gone a long way. Yeah, man. That license on Xena for Langley, my prediction is tomorrow aftermarket. Because they said Q2, and the last day of Q2 is tomorrow. Where's the news? Let's see. Let's take a look at the pod indices. Take a look at the Canadian pod index. Let's take a look at the Canadian pod index. Oh, we're in the green. The Canadian pod index is in the green. This is good. This is good. Oh, wow. Vivo. Vivo is alive. Vivo was listening to me when I was saying that they don't care about their shareholders. Vivo is up 11%. Finally, some growth for Vivo. Like, what the hell, man? Jeez. Alethea Health up 12%. Pot up 25%. Hexo up 5%. Aurora. I did a video 2 days ago. I told you guys Aurora was a buy. Since then, they've been climbing. They're up 1%. They're at 10.15. When I did my video, they're 9.50 range. Now they're at 10.15. Told you guys Aurora's a buy. CANNABIS growth is in the green at $52.89, up 1.56%. Namaste in the red at 60 cents. Agra had a run, now in the red, down 4%. Afria at $9.22, also in the green. Told you guys they're a buy too. CanTrust up 2%, also in the green. Organigram is in the green, up 2% at $8.34. The Green Organic Dutchman, dirt cheap at $3.27, under their IPO price, guys. Always a buy. Up 3.48%. That's a gift at $3.27. The Flower Corporation is down slightly at $6.10. Canopy Rivers, a gift at $3.16 in the red, down 1.56%. Oxley, some of these stocks that have been dead for months are up. Oxley at 78 cents, up 5.4%. Dirt cheap for that company. They got $500 million in the bank. $450 million in the bank. Trading at 78 cents. Makes no sense. Supreme Cannabis at $1.58, up slightly. Valens Growworks at $4.13, up slightly. Emerald Health Therapeutics at $2.41, up 3.8%. TerraSend Corp up slightly at $6.29. Chiron Life Sciences at $2.30, down slightly. FSD Pharma unchanged at 17 cents. Heritage Cannabis up 2.27% at 45 cents. This is all on Rich TV Live, guys. Just go to pod indices, and we literally have everything there. That's where I get all this information now. Weed MD up 8% at $1.55. Meta up 7% at 60 cents. Meta is one of the most undervalued stocks in the whole world. They are making a ton of money. 17 million last quarter, and they're at 60 cents. It makes no sense. Scott Norris says, honestly, me personally, I would take CanTrust way over Aurora. Too diluted. Ooh. Yeah, I mean, I like them both, but just as a pure play investor, I can't see how CanTrust can compete with Aurora. But as an investor looking at stocks, shares, share structure, revenue, yeah, I could see CanTrust going up more than Aurora, but I still like Aurora more than CanTrust. I do. But I do like CanTrust a lot. So it's hard, man, with these picks, man. It's hard with these picks. You fall in love with them, right? But I love them both. Percentage decliners. Let's see the decliners today. So Harvest 1 had a massive day yesterday, down today, down 5%. Agra has been flying all week, down 3%. Namaste at 60 cents, down 3%. Eat had a big day yesterday, down 2%. Lyft, wow, they're down to 25 cents, down 1.92%. RQB at 55 cents, down 1.79%. Chiron Life Sciences, down 1.7%. Rivers, down 1.5%. Gene, just getting slaughtered, down 1.14%. Just looking at all the news, see if there's anything big happening today. The Green Organic Dutchman launches strategic hemp division. Oh, that looks interesting. I'm not going to go into all of this stuff right now because I will be going live here shortly. I just wanted to go live and just kind of give you guys an update. I'm going to head out now, but thank you guys for joining me. Have yourselves a great day. Invest in the best. Buy red, sell green. I'm going to give you guys a tip. If you're buying crypto, only invest in the top 10. Crypto is a lot of scams, okay? If you're investing in cannabis stocks, only invest in the top 10 in Canada and the top 10 in the United States. And when I say the top 10, I mean the top 10 quarterly sales generating stocks. Invest in the top 10 in Canada, the top 10 in the US, invest in the top 10 cryptos. You give yourself a better chance to succeed. Okay, guys, I'll be back. I'll be breaking down more news from my office. I'll see you soon. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for joining. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you, Drew, for being here. Thank you, Nika, for being here. Thank you, Scott, for being here. Thank you, Demir, for being here. Thank you, all of you, for being here. I appreciate you guys. Have a great day. It's your boy Rich, and I'm out. Peace. Yeah, and go to www.richtvlive.com. Thank you, Demir, for sharing. I'm very proud of the site, and I feel like we got all the tools right there at your fingertips. So why would you need to go to 5 websites to get all this information when you can go to one website and we have everything there?